Good morning, mga pangit kayo.
Ha?
Paggising cellphone. Ang galing nyo ah. Number 1 ka. Pogi naman ito. Ilong pa lang. Panama na.
The legs of this guy were damaged, so the doctor told him to rest. And does not want to stay away from the water. Therefore, with the help of his hands, he starts moving.
Ang galing nyo ah.
The rest of the people are surprised to see this.
Lalo na to isa. Ha?
Intense pain.
Very good ah. Pogi!
Yes.
Love you. Ate. Darling.
Yes.
I love you. Sarap ba yan?